So my name is Shubham Gandhi and I'm from Group 4 and I'm going to explain the PageRank program. So the main purpose of this code is to calculate probabilistic distribution to calculate the rank of web page, and using this rank display the search results to the user. The page rank is calculated every time the search engine crawls the web. Now, as the instruction given by the professor, let's first check the input file. So this is a simple English Wikipedia corpus, which is about 500 MB across 20,000 files, one per page. However, the HDFS, like Google File System, is designed to operate efficiently on small number of large files rather than a large number of small files. If you have to load the Wikipedia files into Hadoop TFS individually and then run a map reducer, it would take a lot of time. Instead, we will be using a pre-processed version of simple Wikipedia corpus in which the pages are stored in XML format with many thousands of pages per file. This file has been further pre-processed such that all the data for a single page is on the same line. This makes it easy to use the default input format, which performs one map per call per line of each file it reads. So for each page of Wikipedia is represented by XML as follows: the title of the page, then the revision, uh, and as mentioned before, the pages have been flattened to be represented on a single line. So the body text of the page all has new lines converted to spaces to ensure it stays on one line in this representation. The links to other Wikipedia articles are in the form of name of other article. So implementation using MapReduce. For this, we will need a driver class to run this process, which should run the link graph generator. For each iteration, we can run the cleanup pass, run PageRank, and the output what the top 10 highest PageRank pages are. Now, as told by professor, first we have to open our Eclipse and create a sample Java project. I have already completed this process, so I'll just show you the Eclipse. This is my simple Java project. If I run this, it asks for number of iterations and nodes. Now we have to enter the value of each link which is provided. So for first iteration it is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 triple 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. As you can see, we get the ranks of each node after each iteration. I have copied this output to simple Java page rank output.txt where we can get the rank of each node after each iteration. Our next step is to run the same program in on AWS console. For this, I have created the AWS console and created a cluster which is waiting for our connection. an S3 data bucket where I have uploaded the necessary files. As you can see, for in S3 data bucket, we have to upload page rank and input pages.txt. So this is my bucket name, and this is my page rank.jar and input pages.txt. And as you can see, my cluster is running and is waiting for connection. So after that, we will, as I'm using Windows, I will use PuTTY to connect. Connect to master node. This is my host name. For SSH, I'm using my key pair which I have already generated. Yes, and as you can see, now I'm connected. Next, I will have to copy my jar file from S3 to my local machine. It's downloaded. Now I will run this jar file. As you can see, the program is now running. So as you can see now, our processing has been done, and now we will copy the output file from Hadoop to our local machine. As you can see, path now, and we'll copy this file to AWS S3 bucket so that we can download it. As you can see, our S3, if we just refresh it, yeah, this page rank output.txt, which is this file which I've already downloaded. As you can see, that's a score of page rank for each page with which our program has given as output, and you can see the whole file here. So once we are done with this process, we shouldn't forget to delete our bucket. Delete this bucket and go to our cluster. So it is in EMR, don't forget this. This is very important step, or it will keep charging us. So just click on terminate, and yeah, our cluster terminating user request is sent. It takes around some time to terminate, but yeah, our work is done. So that's it.